Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from your Telegram wallet. It's super easy and only takes a few quick steps. So let's jump right in. First, open up your Telegram app and tap on the search bar at the top. Now, type at Wallet and select the official wallet bot from the list. Once you're in, tap Start, or simply open your wallet to access your account. Next, tap on the Withdraw option. You'll now see different withdrawal methods, like bank card, crypto wallet, or other payment services. Go ahead and choose your preferred method. After that, enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Then, carefully fill in your payment details. Once everything's ready, tap Confirm. And that's it! Your withdrawal request has been submitted. And there you go. Your money will be transferred shortly, based on the method you selected. If this quick tutorial helped you out, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more easy guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.